Just to keep things systematic here, let's go back and look at our chart again. We have talked about substitution and transposition ciphers in the last video. Now I'm just going to look at substitution ciphers and classify them into two types, monoalphabetic and polyalphabetic. But the key here is to remember that these are only appropriate for substitution ciphers. They do not apply to any of the other kinds of ciphers that we study in this course. All right, let's look at these two terms. Monoalphabetic ciphers. These are ciphers, or a class of substitution cipher, in which, I should make this, by the way, bold, in which there is a single substitution. In other words, a one-to-one relationship, as in the Caesar cipher that we looked at earlier. Now, a polyalphabetic cipher actually uses two or more, this should say an O there, not a P, two or more letters used to derive a ciphertext character. Polyalphabetic. Now, how in the world would that work? Well, here's an example of something called the Visionaire Cipher. And it looks like this. I've got my letters, A through Z, at the top. These are my plain text letters. And then I've got a key. And my key here is chicken. And if I just take these, I make a key stream by adding chicken, 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 chicken until I run out of text up here. And here's how it's going to work. I'm going to take the B, right, from here, and the C from here, and just look that up, and the answer is D. And then I'll take the E from here and the H from here. So there's the E, here's the H, and then the next one would be L, and so on, D, L, B, and so on. So I'm just looking them up on a table. That way I have two letters translating to one letter, so that would be a polyalphabetic cipher.